Hey friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery. Today's Tuesday. You know what that means. Tutorial Tuesday.
I am going to show you guys how to do the half double crochet stitch. So grab your hook and some yarn and let's get started. So for this tutorial you can chain any number of stitches for the half double crochet. It doesn't matter, there is no specific multiple for half double. So go ahead and make yourself just a little chain for a swatch. My yarn keeps splitting here. Let's try this again. So let's see here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think that's probably big enough for this tutorial. So I've chained my 10 stitches. With the half double, you want to make sure you give yourself one extra chain for turning if you're working in rows. So then we're going to yarn over, go into the second stitch from our hook. Remember, this does not count, so we'll go 1, 2. So in that second chain, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. You have 1, 2, 3 chains on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 chains, and that's how you do the half double crochet. So yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So I'll go ahead and do this with you till the end of this row. Okay, so we've done our first row of half double crochets. Now what we want to do is chain 1 because we need to get that height for the next row, and then flip your work around. And now if you look at the top, we have these V stitches. So that's what you're going to work into, is right under those V stitches. So you're going to yarn over, go into this first V under both bars, grab your yarn, pull it through. You have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. Again, yarn over, go underneath both V's, grab your yarn and pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over again, and go through all 3. And we'll do this all the way to the end of the row. And the ones at the end sometimes will kind of fall off to the side. So you kind of have to pivot your work towards you so you can see where the V's are. And if it helps, you can also clip a stitch marker in there to mark your last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. And so there you have it, guys. That's how you do the half double crochet stitch. If you have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe my videos and my channel, and I will see you guys next Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesday. If you're also a knitter and you want to learn, or you'd like to learn how to knit rather, please check out my videos on Monday for Make and Knit Monday, where I will demonstrate different knitting techniques.